Hi, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will understand about the depression decrease by the different strategy which that is currently understanding according to me, and I will share the knowledge of the depression decreasing strategy and how to decrease your tension, how to decrease your tension, and how to decrease your anxiety and depression. So number one thing is that what is the depression and anxiety? Let's understand about that. Anxiety and depression on the basis of short term due to some external stimulus like jobs or like jobs a problem or your work hard going on and you are not getting the reward. It means you are going to more stress, not rewarding mechanism and no positive feedback, so you want to quit that is all things is the cause of stress. So how to fix that? Number one thing is that the fixation by the correction of that problem. Number two thing is that how to decrease that stress by the adopting of that strategy in your habit will lead to decrease obviously the tension and depression. How to decrease that tension and depression, this is the topic. Let's understand about that. Number one thing is that fasting. So fasting is important for the decreasing of the tension and anxiety, because when you will eat food, so your body will work, and that is basically the working of your body will lead to more frequently when you will eat. So in this way your lipolysis will decrease. So what is the meaning of that, the lipolysis deficiency? Basically the lipolysis occur during the fasting time when you will not eat, so your lipolysis process will be stopped. So the fasting is important for the ketogenesis, so the ketones produced. On the other hand, the insulin receptor preparation will increase during the fasting time. So in this way, the insulin resistance is also the type of the tension and depression. Basically, the tension creating problem occur due to the overeating. So when you will eat more, so you will create the parasympathetic nervous system, but you are going to the tension, so the catabolism will occur in the same time. The anabolism is the possible very difficult. The number one thing is that, and number two thing is that the fasting will create the lipolysis to generate the testosterone, the healthy testosterone level in your blood. The function of the testosterone is the muscle growth, the bone density, and the estrogen for the female for the normal function and physiology of the female structure and the female appearance. In this way, the lipolysis is important for the production of the testosterone, because the more lipids will produce, that lipids convert into the cholesterol when go into the liver, and the liver will produce the more and more cholesterol, and that cholesterol will go into the testes or ovary for the female, will produce more testosterone, because this is the primary source of the testosterone is the cholesterol. So the cholesterol is too much important during the fasting, it will trigger more. And number one thing, why the testosterone will produce during the fasting, and why the testosterone will not produce too much during the eating time, during when you will eat more. So number one thing is, when you will stop the eating, it means your insulin level will drop. The insulin level will directly link to trigger. When insulin will drop, the glucose level will drop, the growth hormone will increase. The growth hormone is very important for the lipolysis, also create the bone density and muscle strength. On the other hand, the growth of the muscle, but also the lipolysis will occur. It means the growth hormone will trigger more lipids, and that cholesterol will convert into the estrogen and the testosterone for the male. In this way, the testosterone will grow your body. When you will grow more, you require the sleep. So it means when you will sleep, so that number two thing is that after the fasting and less eating, will automatically trigger the sleep. When you will sleep more, so the testosterone will boost more and growth hormone will boost more because you are not eating. And when you will go to the sleeping, your preparation, so your construction of your muscle, the again recovery phase, which that is possible due to the sleeping. And the sleeping, after the sleeping, you should go to the gym or exercise. So hard exercise, the strength training and the hard exercise is very important for the breakdown of that muscle and required that muscle recovery during the sleep time. So this cycle will decrease the depression and anxiety in your mind, and you will feel fresh and you will look good. This is the strategy which that is important for your life. So that is important things I should tell you about that. The diet, so the diet is important in this way. Basically, when you eat the healthy food like omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid, on the other hand, the basically you can say that is protein, the complete amino acid, essential and non-essential amino acid containing food like meat, and the fat containing product, but not sugar containing product, because it will rise the insulin level. In this way the depression will not decrease. So I hope you make sense about that. Basically the three strategy: number one is the fasting, number two is the exercise, hard working, and sleep. Number three, this, three things is very important for the decrease of the decrease of the depression and anxiety. Possibly you can adopt this strategy and check that if you get the decline of the anxiety and depression, and you will feel happy and you will feel cool. So it means you are getting the chance for the survival, because the depression is the unsurvival mood in your body, so you can't survive easily. So that is why you should fix that first, adopt this strategy, then solve the problem which that is creating the anxiety and depression. I hope you make sense about that. If you like my video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next video for this, and bye.